So here I am trying to get their feed out, and I guess they're really hungry because this is the closest I've ever been to them. Oh my, you little greedy chickens. Ooh. Just give me a minute. I'll bring it. Hold on. They're whiny. Whiny chickens. Well, come on. I don't know why I call you like a dog. Well, come on. Am I on your way? That door's not open. Oh, here they go. It's amazing. Oh, excuse you. It's amazing how they generally tend to follow each other. And what's really crazy, oh my gosh, I get down here, is watching them eat. They just seem so angry and hungry. Hangry chickens. There's 5, and there's number 6. It's kind of fascinating watching them. Oh, hello. So I put their layer feed in there and some, it's like a sunflower seed, something mix, and I added the red pepper flakes. Just cause I felt like it. And they're chickens, they're funny. So while they're doing that, oh, I scared them. Let's look in here. I already do this one-handed. Oh my gosh, here we go. So once again, they've dug all their straw out of the nesting boxes. So I think I need to get some nesting pads. I saw those at Bug Heights maybe? I don't remember. Look at all that chicken poop and chicken feathers. So I'm going to clean that out here in the next day or two. No eggs yet. I'm sure it's coming. I hope. Do you ever just see something you're just fascinated by? It's kind of like when you're scrolling through TV channels and you get to the fishing channel and you don't like to watch fishing, but you get sucked in. I kind of get sucked in watching these chickens eat. They're messy. Like, if you look down here, look at all that feed on the ground that they've wasted. It kind of makes me think like I should not feed them one day. Maybe they'll come in here and be so hungry they'll eat all that feed off the ground, and then I won't worry about it. But maybe that's terrible for chickens. I don't know. Alright. Well, ladies, I'll see you later. Till the next time.